Tushar sir, please join us. Right there in front. You'll not be seen otherwise.
Members are requested to please.
No members are requested to please sit down and settle down. Kindly do not put any phones on silent mode and enjoy yourselves. Well, let me dedicate this dialogue to our Amitabh Bachchan. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे प्रेसिडेंट लगते हैं, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे प्रेसिडेंट लगते हैं, लेकिन नाम है टाइगर. Okay. Thank you. Now, Tushar sir, if you can please settle down. Doctor sir, come. Ha, Bhabhi is on the way. We all know that. All right. May I kindly request? Where is Shubhangi? Okay. Madam, please, you need to be our host today. Though I will not let you speak more, but still, as a part of a formality. May I kindly request one after another children to start their performances? I request Manav Shah to kindly come on the stage and give his performance. Give it up for Manav Brijesh Shah. Along with architect Rahul Dalvi. We have Adnan Sami with us, Sahil Mehta. Sir, please join us. Let's welcome the Jaggi Shroff of our chapter, architect Rahul Dalvi. Sir, everyone please take your seats as quickly as possible and do not put your phones on silent mode at all. Thank you. give him a big round of applause. Manav, very well done, my dear. May I kindly request, my friends, after 10 to 15 minutes, you will have to do that by default. Your official function will start. Do it right now, please. Sir, okay. He'll be back. All right. Are we all settled down? The count of 6. CS sir, okay, karo sir. Suresh sir, please. 6 on one table. Our incoming LT has some plan for you guys. Kindly understand. 6 people on one table. Incoming LT has some plan in mind. Tapan Parikh on stage. She's here to perform a story in front of you.
Good evening, BNI.
Good
So,
evening.
here I am, Veda Parikh, here to tell you the story of a unique boy named Prahlad, who believed in God, that he was present everywhere, ready to help us. But on the other side, his cruel father did not believe in God. He believed himself as a god. Let's see what happens in the story. Om Shri Krishnaya Vasudevaya Namah. Om Shri Krishna. You foolish boy! What on earth are you muttering? Father, I am just thanking God to be with us at all times, ready to help us. How dare you speaking his name in my area? Don't you know that I am the Lord here?
Na beta.
Father, we should not forget, we all are his children. We all should respect him. How dare you trying to teach me a lesson? Soldiers, set this pillar to the fire. Did you just see? Hiranyakashyap is trying to kill his own son just to make him prove that he is the Lord here. Will Prahlad burn into ashes? Let's see what happens. You fool! You think that Lord is everywhere? Then hug this pillar and show me that he exists there too, though he does not. Just as expected, Prahlad hugged the pillar very happily. But a mysterious creature bursts out of the pillar, making Hiranyakashyap terrified. Roar! Who are you? I am Narasimha, sent by Lord Vishnu to kill you. Did you just say kill? Ha ha ha! Don't you know that also Lord Brahma gave me one whole wish, and I was so smart to say 3 wishes in one go. I wish that neither man nor animal could kill me, neither sword nor a knife, neither in day nor in night. Who are you to kill me? Ha ha ha! Hiranyakashyap was so much in his attitude that he did not notice that Lord Brahma had sent this mysterious creature to kill him. You fool! Look at me! I am Narasimha! And look outside! It is neither day nor night. I am going to kill you with my own hands, which are neither sword nor a knife. It's time I put an end to the evil. Now we all know what a horrible end we all may suffer just because of selfishness. So let's be kind and helpful from now on. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience.
Let's welcome on stage Mr. Samarth Dalve. Master Samarth Dalve is going to be performing the keyboard on the stage.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक
Vineet Rathi. So thank you so much for attending today's event. And help me welcome our director, support director, Mr. Sir Minesh Haji Seth. Sir, please, kindly raise, sir. Help me welcome our Executive Director, Kalpesh Shah.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की
It feels honor, sir. Thank you so much for coming in. We also have our support ambassador, Piyush Agrawal's friends.
कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख
We are waiting for Master Samad Dalvi. Where is he? Brilliant. Give it up for Asmi Patel. I should call her Shweta Bachchan.
Good evening. I, Asmi Patel. Today I am going to show you some tricks of gymnastics and yoga. First, First of all, I will do a cartwheel. Now I will do a split.
Woo! Lovely.
Now I will do a bridge.
Lovely.
Now I will show you one of my jumps. Thank you.
Lovely.
And very good evening, all the ladies and gentlemen present over here. So can I listen some hi from you all? So happy to hear that. So and all my precious Vulcan members, those who are present over here, I'm so delighted we are all gathered over here for this wonderful evening. And that evening is LT handover. Come on, show some energy, show some zeal. Ready for it? Ready for it? All right, this is the wonderful part. And before moving on to anything next, I would like to extend my thanks to all the family members. Can all the family members raise their hands? Thoda upar, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doubling the happiness of this wonderful evening. I'm so very much delighted. So here comes this wonderful evening, but still, जैसा कि हमारा नाम है BNI Vulcan chapter members, but I cannot find the same kind of energy over here. जो हमारे टीम में जो हमारे चैप्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा लाउड हैं, दैट इज़ कुशान. सबसे पहले आवाज़ उनसे ही निकलती है. I can only expect the loudest voice from him only. And wonderful, Kushan, take this. This is an appreciation. Obviously, this is a wonderful part, wonderful thing in you. Okay, so before I move on to anything next, there is one simple thing I request you all to do. Just as I say, so everyone, can you all just put your both hands together up? What you have to do is like this, with both the hands. And let's do it with a rhythm. All the family members, huh? जितने भी हैं, आज आप सब हमारे ही हैं, आप सब अपने ही हैं. So don't consider yourself someone else, okay? So 1, 2, 3, and clap. All together. Show some strength, all together. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. There will be, we will have music, and I want everyone to follow the same rhythm to show our strength. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, clap. Music, please. Come on.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you.
Come on, everyone.
We will rock you.
All right.
You're a young man,
Thank you.
shouting in the street.
Thank you so much, everyone. So are you all ready to rock this evening? Everyone? All right. So this is the wonderful part. And now I know that everyone is energetic, enthusiastic, ready for this evening, especially our new LT members. Okay, make some noise. Only our new LT members, make some noise. दम है और पुराने वाले भी support कर रहे हैं. That's wonderful part. Okay, so let's move on to the next. And before we move on to the next part, we all know that we started this chapter on 6th of March 2018, and this is September. We have completed 6 months. So this is the best part now. We have completed 6 months successfully, growing each and every day, and everyone all together. So please, everyone, put your hands together, and a big round of applause for Mr. Vineet Rathi, the creator and founder of this chapter. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for showing us the guidance, and we have reached till this pace. And एक ऐसा बंदा है यहाँ हमारे बीच में who has always just motivated, who has always guided whenever we were low. उन्होंने बहुत सारी एनर्जी लगाई, हम लोग को अपनी बातों से मोटिवेट किया, he lighted up. So please everyone put your hands together for Mr. Kalpesh Shah. Come on everyone. Thank you. And एक next ये जो बंदा है he is like कि मुझे वास्तव मूवी का एक डायलॉग याद आता है. No, don't take that as a negative. Good. It's a Bollywood night, so everything should be positive. So what he always says is कि इस बार मैं समझाने आया हूँ. इस बार मैं समझाने आया हूँ. अगली बार आऊँगा तो 6 की 6 भेजे में डाल दूँगा. Whenever this gentleman. Everyone, please put your hands together for Sanjay Dutt and the Sanju Baba, the dawn of our family, Sir Minish Haji Said sir. And trust me sir, जब भी आप स्टेज पे आते हैं या जब भी आप हम लोग को एड्रेस करने आते हैं, I feel the same. I literally feel the same. अब कुछ आने वाला है, अब कुछ भेजे में जाने वाला है. So thanks to you. Yes, Tushar. Okay, इनके लिए कुछ अलग है. ये फोन से ही डर जाते हैं, सर सामने आके डराते हैं. And last but not the least, but the most important part, now we have someone who have just recently joined us in our chapter. Can we have everyone? Huge round of applause for Mr. Piyush Agrawal. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all our dignitaries, for sparing your precious time and making this evening much more wonderful. I've heard that कि कल्पेश सर थोड़ा ऐसा सोच रहे थे मैं आऊँ नहीं आऊँ. Is it right, sir? So we are delighted. We are thankful that you gave your wonderful time to us. And moving on to the next, I would like to call our Sanjay Dutt of our family to please join us and address this evening with your motivational and magical words. Please, sir. वो अगली बार अभी समझाने आ रहे हैं.
Good morning, Vulcan! Woo! What an energy, guys! What an energy! Fabulous. Well, this is what I say when I usually address, when I start addressing you. And one thing I would like to be thankful to all of you is that, guys, thank you so much for listening to me so patiently. Thank you. And I would like to, I'll not take much time, but just acknowledge a few really important members in our Vulcan family. The three musketeers who are sitting right in front of us. Guys, it has been a learning and always a kind of very immediate and very important interaction with these three whenever I had a word with them. And many thanks to them to listen to me, right? Take my suggestions. But today, what I feel is that the day I first entered Vulcan, Vineet had brought all of you together, and when I was introduced to the chapter, that day I knew that Vulcan one day has to have a mark. And today is that day, guys. Many congratulations for a successful 6 months to all of us, and we look forward for a multifold growth from here on. So I would acknowledge the presence of the incoming LT as well today. Roma Jwalant, where is he? Bhai, tu aaga aao. Come. So Roma, Jwalant and Kusha! My God. I am never going to forget the 30 seconds. I tell you, I can recite the entire it right now. The whole 30 seconds. So guys, each and every one of us has that bling and that spark in us. So let us all grow together. And without wasting much time, I would request the LT to come over the stage. I think the tables are ready. Oh, okay. Do I need to give it to... I'm sorry, ma'am. I did not know that. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for everything.
So 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Before you go, can you have a song, please? So especially for you. Obviously, it's a Bollywood night. Come on. Come on, this is for him. Come on, sir, come on.
वो बाहर कैजुअलिटी में कोई मरने की आदत में रहा तो उसको फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है क्या?
ये हर रोज सुबह उठ के आई थिंक सर दिस सॉन्ग सूट्स यू. आपकी सुबह बहुत जल्दी होती है, हमारी सिर्फ ट्यूसडे को होती है. Alright, so चलिए moving on to the next. Let me call some more dignitaries to join us over here and let me begin. एक ऐसा बंदा जो सिर्फ पैसा 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 करता रहता है. इनको जब भी मैं देखती हूँ और whenever I see his message or call, I just remember, okay, क्यों पैसा पैसा करते हो? What do you need? So please everyone, put your hands together for the chocolatey boy, the Amir Khan of BNI family. Come on everyone. Song. Come on. Woo!
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके
He is the one who always says all is well.
होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल
Sir.
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटे पर जाके बोल.
That was awesome. So now we are assured that all is going to be well. We have our chocolate boy Amir Khan. And moving on to the next. There are so many confusions in the name. जब हम हीरो के name दे रहे थे, when we were correlating. So इतनी सारी चीजें सामने आई थी that I'll discuss later on. I cannot disclose right now. So let me call the next, the Mr. Khiladi. Yes, the Akshay Kumar, and please everyone put your hands together for Brijesh, our Vice President of BNI Vulcan. Song please. Oh, and we have the change now because he is resembling Ajay Devgan, so he wears Singham for him. Come on, everyone. So थोड़ा आगे जाके come on. पहले I was confused. Is he Mr. Khiladi or is he Singham? I need some judgment from you all guys. How many of you say he is Akshay Kumar? Khiladi. कितने लोग बोलते? Khiladi. And how many say Singham? Sir, यहाँ पे weight ज़्यादा है. Balanced. Okay. So that was nice. And now, ये जो next जिनको मैं बुलाने जा रही हूँ, इनके लिए मुझे बहुत धमकी मिली हुई है. बहुत ज़्यादा धमकी मिली हुई है. But he is the tiger and he is also the Ram Kapoor of BNI Vulcan. Please everyone, let's welcome Mr. Kirat Vaishnav, the Salman Khan and the Ram Kapoor combination. You have to, come on. Woo!
Well, friends, good evening. I don't need the mic. Still, I'll use that because I'm not Kushan. Friends, good evening. Help me welcome our Executive Director, Kalpesh Shah, to kindly say 2 words from the stage, please.
Good morning, Vulcan. I would say that what Minesh says, you know, I have now come to know that Minesh, when I see your photographs on the Facebook, your expressions are like this, and now I can realize that these people are waiting for the guns to be ready and put it into your bullets into you.
The guns are loaded.
Yeah, so guns are loaded. That's why your photographs are like that. But I still remember, and Vinith is here, so I will first congratulate nobody else, but I would congratulate Vinith for making Vulcan. Thank you so much, Vinith. Thank you so much. And we cannot forget Minesh, you know, because Vinith gave the birth to all of you, and Minesh nurtured all of you and
Absolutely.
made you grow, okay? So thank you so much, Minesh.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And we have just added a new mama to all of you. And that's our Piyush. Thank you, Piyush. And I don't know, but the names are actually wrong,
Okay.
which are given to all of you. Is that first I have named Kirat as Chota Packet, Bada Dhamaka. You know? That's what I have named him. But Brijesh, I feel that Singham nahi yaar. He is actually वो कौन सा मूवी था यार? अजय देवगन का. I'm not good at movies, but he looks like Ajay Devgan.
પણ એટલે પિક્ચર સિંગમ કીધો તો સાહેબ એની ઈચ્છા હતી.
અજય દેવગનનું પણ આ સિંગમ નહીં બીજું એક પિક્ચર હતું.
અચ્છા,
ઓકે. Anyways, and Golmaal. And yes, I agree with him is for Chocolatey Boy because he has been always, I have seen him whenever I have visited or whenever I have talked to him, he has been ever smiling, right? So this trio has helped all of us to make what Vulcan is. So let's have 3 cheers for them. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! And guys, all of you who were part of the extended LT, also 3 cheers for them. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
So this is basically what does BNI teach us? BNI teaches us that we are getting together to help each other. But in that, we all believe that this is only because we are building relationship. So we have a happy Vulcan family, and I see a lot of family members sitting over here looking at me that when is he going to stop, you know? So I'm soon going to stop, but thank you so much, all of you, for being here. And thank you, LT, for inviting all of us over here. And all the best to the Lioness and the team. All the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you have to wait for a moment. Shubhangi, if you can have the bouquets, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. All right, friends. Let's start the official function now. As our team has decided, the theme is going to be Bollywood. Let me start it this way. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे प्रेसिडेंट लगते हैं. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे प्रेसिडेंट लगते हैं, लेकिन नाम रखा है टाइगर. May it be Ram, may it be Lakhan, may it be Tiger. Well, friends, today at the LT Handover, I would like to express my gratitude towards a bunch of people who have made this 6 months so memorable. Let us put the hands all together. To start with, our executive director, for him, today I would like to say, आम आदमी सोता हुआ शेर लगता है. उंगली मत कर, जाग जाएगा तो चीर फाड़ देगा. Our executive director, Kalpesh Shah. Thank you so much, sir. And the next one, for whom we can say, मेरे बारे में इतना मत सोचना, दिल में आता हूं, समझ में नहीं. Yash Vasant, friends, give it up for Yash Vasant, our executive director. May I kindly request my LT to join me, please? Come over. Now let me thank the one who launched the chapter, Mr. Vineet Rathi. For him, I would like to say, हम बजरंगी के भक्त हैं, मर जाएंगे पर झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे. Give it up for Vineet Rathi, friends. Friends, now comes the one for whom the word thank you will surely be smallest. That Don always say, oh, I'm so sorry. Jalpan, if you can please help me. He's always there. That Don always say, एक बार जो मैंने commitment कर दी, फिर मैं अपने आप के भी नहीं सुनता. Help me thank you, support director, Sir Minesh Haji Seth. Nevertheless, I feel great honor to thank our support ambassador, Mr. Piyush Agrawal, for whom I would say that, sir, your support will surely going to be continuously help our chapter grow all the time. So, sir, the statement is there. Don't worry, Tushar. We have. See if you can see the photograph. The tikka is almost there. So he is almost under that Vastav feeling. Let's congratulate him and let's welcome him and thank him for each and everything. Friends, now let me thank all my pillars. My education coordinator, Roma Shah, if you can please come over the stage, please. May I kindly request my VP, Brijesh Shah, to kindly recognize our Edgelord coordinator, Roma Shah. Shubhangi, if you can please help me with the memento, please. Thank you so much, Roma. All the Edgelords you have given have been so wonderful. Thank you very much. Next comes, Shubhangi, if you can be please ready for the, all right. Next comes the feature presentation coordinator, Gaurav Joshi. Help me welcome Gaurav Joshi on the stage, please. All right, we can move ahead. We can meet Gaurav later on, friends. He must be flying out somewhere. All right. All right, let me welcome our social media coordinator, Jai Soni, on the stage. Thank you, Jai, for each and every social media coordination. You have always done so well in play. Jalban sir, please, you can felicitate him. All right, our travel guru, Gaurav Joshi, the feature presentation coordinator. Sir, please come on the stage. Brijesh sir, please help us to felicitate him with the token of appreciation. Next comes our Go Green coordinator, CL Lalit Raidhada. Are we missing him? All right. Next goes for the power team coordinator, Mitish Verma. I think we're missing him as well. Next goes for the training coordinator, Akash Garvi. Let's give it up for Akash Garvi, friends. He has been so consistent, patient enough to make sure that you're all coming up for the training. Thank you, Akash. Jalpan sir, if you can please felicitate him. Friends, next comes the one who always made it sure that may it be a newspaper, may it be a magazine, may it be a WhatsApp, may it be a Facebook post. Wherever you find something related to one-to-one or a motivational aspect, he will throw it on the WhatsApp group. Let me welcome a one-to-one coordinator, Dr. Hitesh Shah. Next comes this beautiful event, or maybe any event, at BNI Vulcan, our events coordinator, Dharmesh Mistry.
Yes.
Let's give it up for Dharmesh Mistry, friends. Shubhangi has said no to reveal all the names. शुभंगी इस बार नाम लेना पड़ेगा. आपने बोला था सबके नाम मत लेना, मैं लूंगी. But this time I'll say our Shahid Kapoor, the BNI Connect coordinator, Tushar Shah. All right, friends, before we proceed further towards Vice President's report, let me tell one thing about three of us. Zindagi mein teen cheezein kabhi underestimate mat karna. I, my VP, and my ST. Thank you very much, and hand it over to my Vice President for the next report. Sir.
Thank you, Mr. President. Good evening, all. Good evening, BNI. So I am going to share the summary of the 6 months. So first, I would like to invite Kushan Saab on the stage. He is our growth coordinator. And I request President to hand over the trophy. Next is mentor coordinator, architect Rahul Dalvi. Rajesh Kaka. આપ ઈ રક્ષાની સુરક્ષામાં છો, અટેન્ડન્સ કોર્ડિનેટર. Alkesh Shah, I think we will miss him. Tapan Parikh, reference quality and quantity coordinator. Next is TYFCB quantity coordinator Jigar Shah. Dr. Kanika Agrawal, our one-to-one quantity coordinator. So here I'm going to share the membership growth of our Vulcan chapter. At the time of launch, we were 31 members. In total, we have had 27 members and lost 3 members. And today, we are 55 strong members, strong family members in our Vulcan chapter. So these are the overall numbers what we have did in last 6 months. We did 1,833 referrals, total 2,687 one-to-ones.
Very nice.
We have invited 248 visitors, 8 testimonials and given, and did 3,92,84,511 total business amongst the member. So here some of the members who have invited maximum visitors in our chapter.
So now friends, already we know that sabka participation, everyone participation is important and everyone has participated. But there are some people who have contributed more and they have shown some aggressive efforts. So now this is the time for the dedication and it's time to show some respect and honor to them. So moving on to the first category of actual awards for this evening. And we have 3 persons who helped us out to bring maximum visitors. Can you have a huge round of applause for Tapan Parikh, Jai Soni, Dr. Hitesh Shah. But among all this, the winner, the person with the maximum visitors who have invited maximum visitor is Dr. Hitesh Shah. I request Mr. Kalpesh Shah sir to please hand over the prize to the winner.
Let's give it up for the Dr. Hitesh Chopra.
Huge round of applause for him. Moving on to the next category. The next category is highest referral given. So I think everyone is over here. Can you just raise your hand who have given the maximum number of referrals? Very true. And some more? I need some hands. That's true. We have 3 participants in that, 3 nominees. Mr. Chintan Shah,
Lovely.
Mr. Rahul Dalvi, and of course, the winner for this category is Mr. Lalit Rai Tata. Huge round of applause for him.
I think we're missing.
कुशान ऐसे क्यों हंसी आ रही है आपको? You are just jumping on your seats, man.
बोलता हूँ लेटेस्ट खबर का एक धमाकेदार
Alright, that was nice. He's not here, I guess.
कि जापान में जब किसी परिवार में 2 से ज्यादा बच्चे हो
Moving on to the next, that is highest attendance. किसको लगता है? मैं पूछ रही हूँ पर मैं बिल्कुल इस कैटेगरी में नहीं आती हूँ. किसको लगता है? Yes, yes, please. So we have the nominees, Mr. Jwalan Shah, Chirag Desai, and Tushar Shah. Any guesses for the winner?
लिख दिया है आपने.
Sir, आप break कर रहे हैं. You're just spoiling it. Okay, can I have a huge round of applause for Chirag Desai? I request Vineet Radi sir to please join us to hand over the award. Okay, sir. Bas, sir, bas. Fine. Moving on to the next, the most important part, that is highest training attended. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं, and this is the people like on the third part, that is Aditi Chokshi, Akash Gadvi, Gaurav Joshi, Jwalan Shah, Roma Shah, Tushar Malik. Come on, show some respect. इन्होंने अटेंड किए हर सैटरडे को मॉर्निंग में उठ के. All right, and but these were just the participants, like जो इस कैटेगरी में आते हैं, who can win. But actually we have competition between 2, that is Dr. Hitesh Shah and Tushar Shah. Whom do you think it goes to? Sure? Okay, everyone, the Shahid Kapoor of BNI Vulcan, that is Tushar Shah.
अरे रुक तो जा नोटी, तेरी वजह से पजामे में मारगाट पड़ गई ठहरी.
You have to dance, huh? You have to dance. I request Minesh Haji Singh sir to please join
बेबी
us
चल
here.
आजा बल डेटिंग खेले मुझको तो जानू हाई रेटिंग दे दे बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियों में टूर पे ले जाऊं घड़ी बड़ी देख तुझे कौन सी दिलाऊं करने दे दूसरों को वेटिंग अब तू और काहे की दो नहीं.
Thank you. तुषार डांस बाकी है. Moving on to the next, one more wonderful category, that is TYFCB. And in this, of course, he is there. He is there. So let me not go for any guesses. Let me go for directly the prizes. And in this category, the third prize goes to Mr. Jigar Shah. Huge round of applause for him. I once again request Kalpesh sir to please join us to hand over the award. Music, please. And some huge round of applause. Come on, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you. Moving on to the next, the second person who has contributed a lot in the growth of the chapter, and it goes to, any guesses? अब तो वहाँ पे mention नहीं है. Any guesses? Sorry? No, you're not allowed to. It goes to Mr. Rushiraj Vyas. Huge round of applause for him. Rushiraj, dance करते हुए आना है आपको वहाँ से. Dance करते हुए आना है आपको. Come on. Woo! Come on, show some moves. Whoa, here we go. I request Vineet Rathi sir. Vineet sir. Vineet sir. Yes, please.
டாடி மம்மி வீட்டில் இல்ல தடபோட யாரும் இல்ல விளையாடுவோமா உள்ள வில்லாடா
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Rushiraj. And now comes the most hottest category and the first prize winner. The very wonderful, the very amazing gentleman present over here and in our BNI Vulcan, none other than Mr. Rahul Dalvi. I request Vineet Rathi sir to please join us here to hand over the... इनके लिए तो तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Come on, everyone. The Jackie Shroff of our family. Congratulations. And guys, you can see he deserves some massive respect because he have just given the TYFCB of 71,28,526. That is a wonderful and huge amount. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. इनको कहते हैं कि सबका साथ, सबका विकास. He is following Modi indirectly. Sir, are you a follower of Modi? Okay. So moving on to the next. Now comes the next category, the overall performance. And in this category, the nominees are Rushiraj Vyas, Rahul Dalvi, Chintan Shah, and so any guesses for this category? Who is going to be the winner? Okay, so आप सबके सुनते हुए, let's consider him as the winner, the one and only Chintan Shah. Govinda, I can only resemble with Govinda. Woo! Chintan, dance करते हुए आना पड़ेगा. Go on. I request Nilesh Haji Seth sir to please run for the ball. Woo! Sir, you are the hero. Thank you, sir. And can you have a very, very, very huge round of applause for all the winners of this evening? Thank you so much. Thank you. And moving on to the next, let's have a look to the performance of LT. Most important part, huh? So let's begin with our president, Mr. Kirat Vaishnav. He has done 57 1-to-1, 89 referrals he has passed. He invited 37 visitors. He has attended 11 trainings and TYFCB of 7,73,793. Huge round of applause for him. Moving on to the next. Sir, you can come forward, please.
Thank you.
You deserve respect. And here we have our Vice President, Mr. Brijesh Shah, who has done 88 1-to-1, 61 referrals, 10 visitors, 10 training, and TYFCB of 13,44,730. And moving on to the next, जो हमारे पैसा Secretary Treasurer Jalpan Patel, he has done 78 1-to-1, 46 referrals, 6 visitors, 10 training, and TYFCB of 4,26,141. This is amazing, and this has been huge round of applause for our LT team. We are going to miss you. We are going to miss you all. Thank you. And moving on to the next. So now I request our Secretary Treasurer,
Good evening, everyone. Now I would like to invite our lead visitor host team. The first one is our Sire Javed Akhtar, Jwalant Shah.
It's something like this, Jwalan.
Yes. May I now request to Mr. President to please address.
Congratulations. Thank you for everything, my friend.
The next one is Mosmi Raina. I think we are missing her.
We are missing her, I guess. Yeah.
The third one is Pulin Choksi. VP, please. The next one is Jaimin Patel.
The music should be accordingly. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, thank you for everything.
The next one is our Govinda Chintan Shah.
DJ ABK.
The next one is our Beka Mama Aditi Choksi. Rishiraj Vyas.
Can we have Rushiraj Vyas on the stage, please, friends?
The next member is Rajesh Dakshini.
Shake your body, girl.
The last member is Kanchan Gurwani. The next item is ST reports. सब लोग ये सोचते हैं कि सब पैसे जाते कहाँ हैं, है ना? So here are the list where कौन सा amount कहाँ जा रहा है. When we started, we have 1,90,400. The total all over the meetings till 6 months, meeting collection is 12,28,100. Total hotel payment is 5,57,253. LTRT and networking events, that amount goes to 53,000. Printing and other administrative expenses is 2,08,038. The balance amount on hand is 1,24,531. This amount is on only right hand. The LT extended expense as well as next fund has to be managed from this on the funds. The next thing is, whatever we have done is the focus visitors day, the substitutions day. Bridges, can you please? substitutions day, we have done 30-second swap, props day, social gathering, focus business day, client testimonial day, and Independence Day celebrations. These are the stimulants which we have done yet now.
Friends, help me acknowledge our Gold Club member, Architect Rahul Dalve.
A very huge round of applause for him, the one and only Gold
Thank you
Club
for everything,
member.
sir. Next. We have our Green Smiley members. Our SC has always tried to be there, and next month is going to be there. And now, okay, that's me first. All right, our Green Club
Kirat
members.
Vaishnav.
All right. Next is Brijesh Shah. Then comes our Dr. Hitesh Shah, Architect Rahul Dalvi, and not least but Chintan Shah.
Can I request these gentlemen to please raise? So, आप लोग किसी बार? Can I request them to please raise?
All the Green Smiley members, if you can please raise.
A big smile on your face and huge round of applause for them. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shubhangi. And now, help me welcome. Thank you, Shubhangi. Yeah, anything else you want to do? All right, okay.
As I already said that we have participation and coordination of each and every member present over here. So I request my LT team to be here, please. And let's pass on the mementos to the rest of the BNI Vulcan members. So for this, I would like to call the very first member, Vimal Harsora. Mr. Vimal Harsora, please, sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call Mr. Nitesh Shah. Mr. Nitesh Shah. He's not here. He's here. Thank you, sir. Moving on to the next, I would like to call Mr. Shashikant Mistry. Next, I would like to call Mr. Sahil Mehta. Okay, there is a resemblance over here.
Let the frame fit or not. Thank you for everything, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call Mr. R.S. Ankleshwarya.
I think we are missing him, my friend.
Okay. Moving on to the next, Mr. Neeraj Bhavsar. Yes, he's here. Thank you, Neeraj. Moving on to the next, I would like to call Mr. Priyank Parikh. Thank you. Next is Tushar Malik. I was expecting कि तुषार वहाँ से ही लेके आएगा और खुद लेके चला जाएगा. You are at the right place. Moving on to the next, Mr. Jigar Jani. Thank you, Jigar. Next, I would like to call Mr. Yashraj Rathore. Moving on to the next, Mr. Chirag Desai. Moving on to the next, Mr. Parth Shroff. Before we move on to anything next, I request everyone to show some motivation. Come on, this is an achievement. And next I would like to call Ashwin Lakhani, Mr. Ashwin Lakhani.
I think you're missing it.
Okay, so we are missing him. Moving on to the next, Mr. Rajesh Patel.
Rajesh Patel is not there? All right, we're missing him again.
Mrs. Priya Bedade. Moving on to the next, Dr. Nidhi Patel. The only lady in red. She needs some more. Come on, the red gorgeous lady, come on. Make some noise for her. Moving on to the next, Mr. Parth Purohit. The next is Mr. Anand Singh. He's missing. Moving on to the next, Mr. Shamal Seth. Now, one of my best friend, the sweet lady, Miss Bindya Dahima. And I don't have much words for him, but he is a very wonderful, very, what you can say, dedicated kind of a person. Mr. Suresh Pitti, please. next. इस आदमी से डरना चाहिए. He can rap anything. Please welcome Mr. Ahmed Darwish.
Let's give it up for Ahmed Darwish.
Moving on to the next. One more gentleman, Mr. Kiran Thakkar.
Put your hands together for Kiran Thakkar.
You're now listening to the sounds of DJ Blitz.
The next person whom I am going to call, मुझसे सिर्फ एक रिक्वेस्ट है. अगर आप कुछ कर सकते हो तो can we cheat 30 seconds? The one and only Mr. Ripal Bhatt.
Give it up for Ripal Bhatt.
San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle beep 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 beep.
Moving on to the next, I would like to call Mr. Chintan Prajapati.
Mr. Chintan Prajapati, friend.
And the next would be Mr. Subhash Vashava. Lots of them are missing. So thank you everyone. Here we end up with this. Can we have once again huge round of applause for each and everyone present over here for their contribution and for being part of this wonderful and beautiful evening. Thank you.
Friends, help me thank one more member of our team, Shubhangi Maurya. Friends, all these appreciation awards are given for all your good efforts and what good deeds you have done for BNI Vulcan. Once we are done with the actual LT handover, we still have 2 performances to go on. But before that, let me conclude the event. Finally, we're doing the honors of LT handover. I was expecting some good noise. All right, friends. Now, I feel so proud to welcome one after another. To start with our upcoming Secretary Treasurer, Kushan Shah. I have to do this.
हमारे तीन नहीं आती हमारे तीन नहीं आती
अब क्या बताएं इस शाम के बारे में? अब क्या बताएं इस शाम के बारे में? आपके बिना ये स्टेज अधूरा सा है. सीए ज्वलन शाह, our upcoming Vice President. Finally, CA Jwalan Shah on the stage. I was asked that how do you feel after the last meeting? I said I feel relaxed, relieved, and proud that my next president is going to be Roma Shah. Very happy and proud moment for all of us, friends. Congratulations, and I'm going to be sure that all three of you are going to be doing superb. And finally, friends, to start with, I need to confirm the pin. To start with, let me hand over my pin President Roma Shah, friends. Give it up for Roma Shah. You can please help yourself, my dear. All the best, and I'm sure you're going to be doing superb, amazingly well, and all the way best. Friends, we now request our Vice President to hand over the pin, please. C.A. Jwalan Shah. Our Secretary Treasurer, Kalpan Patel, will now hand it over to Kushan Shah. I would finally like to end up with saying only one thing. तीन चीजें कभी अंडरएस्टिमेट मत करना. Roma Shah, Jwalan Shah, and Kushan Shah. That should go on. Come on, friends. Now, as a member of Vulcan, I hand over the stage to our new leadership team, and thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
BNI. Good evening, dear Vulcan members. Good evening, and thank you very much for this wonderful, wonderful, warm welcome to all of us. And to keep it really nice and short and sweet, I think we saw that the launch date was 6th March. But going back, when I think our beginning memories were the first meeting at your office, Kalpesh, and with Vineet. And then the first the first meeting, the core meeting we had in November. Those are the beginning memories we had of Vulcan. Moving on, I think we were almost 15 members then. वो पहला meeting, वो पहला मिलना, वो पहला जानना एक दूसरे को. Yeah, I think those who were there remember it. I can see that smile there. Yeah, absolutely. It was beautiful. It was different. And then we met regularly. एक दूसरे को जानते हुए, we started knowing people. We started knowing each other. We started cracking jokes. Now even we have names for each other. But so yeah, that just happened one by one. But a lot of sessions from Vineet. Thank you very much. That was like we learned a lot from you. And then came the launch day when our awesome LT had come over. As you can see here, we were the youngest chapter, and we still are the youngest chapter. The LT has given us like an amazing, the previous LT gave us an amazing, amazing platform and grew our chapter to amazing bounds. When we launched, we were like almost 30 something. Today we are 55. Great job, guys. Thank you very, very, very much. And definitely you've given us a task, a target to meet, which is just going to be fun because we have such beautiful members with us. We have a very strong team and it's going to be fun. We would just, so we're just trying to drive one small analogy here. What we have prepared is a box where the 3 balloons are representing the 3 of us, as you can see here. And हम अकेले तो ये box को नहीं उठा पाएंगे भाई. So, if I can request Shyamal, if you can bring those balloons, please. For us.
Yes. Just break it.
Kyanti, if someone can help us. Ahmed, the rap. All we can rap. No, he has
Roma, can you please help me to sign this balloon with the box? Thank you. And we require the support of all the members. Rushi, please come on the stage. Now you will just see the magic, how the 3 LT and the power of 55 members goes. This is how the Vulcan will go when there will be 55 members all together will be there to the sky. So, members, if you have noticed, then this is that are the exactly 55 balloons, and we were the three pillar of the Vulcan chapter, and we have tried to lift the particular Vulcan chapter. But what we alone cannot do, that 55 members jointly have done the same magic and reached the Vulcan to the sky level. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, and we are expecting the same support in next 6 months. Thank you so much.
And last but not least, wherever we may need guidance, we have our superb team of ambassadors supporting us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So moving on to the next. Can I know how many couples I have in this room? Please. Couple yani? Apne husband, wives. I need some. Sir, now you can spend time with your wife. Yes. I'm expecting all the couples. Can I request them to please join me over here? Hitesh sir. Ma'am, aaye hue hain. I need all the couples. Please, all the couples over here. Okay. Yes, please. Everyone. Yes. Come on, everyone, all together. Please join, everyone. Everyone. Hitesh sir. Yes, you have to stand there. Everyone. I request everyone to please join. And now, it's as simple as that. Today is the Bollywood evening. I request all the couples to go for ramp walk. All the couples for the ramp walk. So who will be the first? Okay. So ready, President? Ready? You have to go this way, L, and you have to come back. The more you can. Okay? So can you have a huge round of applause for them? And music, please. Come on. Bollywood style. Make some noise at least. Come on. Yes, next, Jwalan. Come on, सबके लिए थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए, everyone. Everyone, come on, Kushal. Kalpesh sir. Kalpesh sir, please join us here on stage. Yes, please. Yes, please. Sir, Piyush sir, please. Yes, of course, of course. Vineet sir. Please find them and please, please, sir. And now this is the best part of the evening. Everyone ready? Ready? So just one simple task. Our honorable dignitaries present over here. For a moment, you are just our friends. You have to do ramp walk just like ladies. You have to do ramp walk like ladies. Kalpesh sir, this is not fair, not fair, not fair. Okay, here we have two gentlemen. Okay, okay. Don't tell him, don't tell him. Sir, urgent requirement, please, please, please join. Please join. Sir, please, please, please. विनीत सर सर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क यहाँ पे है और कोई नहीं कर पा रहा है सो वी नीड यू पक्का चेयर अप सर आपको रैंप वॉक करना है लाइक अ फीमेल कम ऑन वल्कन नो सर ओह नो एटलीस्ट कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कल्पेश सर यू शुड गिव इट ट्राई You have to, sir. Let's just begin with the founder of the chapter, Vineet sir. Please, guys, help me out. Please. ले चलिए sir. Vineet sir, come on. Piyush sir, followed by you. Please. Sir, you have to walk like females. Ramp walk. Possible. Everything possible. Okay, चलिए कोई बात नहीं. Come on, give round of applause and can you have the music, please? Come on. Sir, ramp. Come on, help him out, Piyush sir. Sir, please. Sir, थोड़ा सा लड़कियों की तरह. All right. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Vineet sir, please. Okay, as a male, come on, at least give it a try. Come on. Okay, here we go. Kalpesh sir. Sir, senior most person. I don't think you should be left out. Come on, give him a big round. Come on, everyone. Whoa. That's amazing. Fantastic. Can I request everyone to please join for the dance? Can I have some DJ, some songs, please? Come on, everyone, come on. Special person, and she has a very wonderful. He has actually बहुत ही अलग तरह का talent है. And I don't think कि काफ़ी लोग सोच भी सकते हैं and इसमें सबका participation होगा. This is like kind of a very amazing and beautiful thing based on illusions. It's based on illusions probably. So Kiran sir, can you have your son over here? Okay, give a big round of applause for him. I'm sorry, what's your good name? Krish. Oh my God, उड़ते हुए तो नहीं आए आप. Okay, so here we have Krish and.
बोलो बता बहुत से चल बोलो हमारा.
V.
Okay.
Star.
Okay.
HR.
Okay.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay. Then. बोलो.
क्या?
ये बस ત્યાં છે બરાબર છે જો.
Apple.
Okay.
Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay.
Plane.
Okay. Okay. Now no cards. તમારી પાસે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ હોય એક કરીને કદાચ તમારા પોકેટમાંથી પણ anything. અથવા તમે તમારો મોબાઈલ એને આપી દો બ્લાઇન્ડ ફોલ્ડમાં, તમે કોઈ કઈ એપ્લિકેશન તો એ ઓપન કરીને આપશે તમને. પાસવર્ડ તો જોઈશે સાહેબ. હા ચાલશે 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 ચાલશે.
બોટલ.
ઓકે ઓકે બોલો.
100 રૂપીસની નોટ.
ઓકે લેફ્ટ સાઈડ ક્રિસ.
ડેડી લાઈન કંઈક છે મને દેખાતો નથી.
ઓકે દેન એની અધર થિંગ્સ જો.
કાર્ડ. રૂપીસની નોટ છે.
ઓકે આ બાજુ, હવે આ બાજુ.
ક્યાં?
લે રાઈટ સાઈડ. ઓકે હવે જો સો મેની બધા ઘણા બધું કશું કુછું કર્યું છે જો.
અહીંયા કાર્ડ.
ઓકે કાર્ડનો કલર
વ્હાઈટ
એન્ડ
અને બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ બ્લેક.
નો ઇટ્સ બ્લુ. બેક સાઈડ. હા ઓકે ઓકે ઇટ્સ ઓકે.
વ્હાઈટ કલરનું કાર્ડ.
ઓકે
પાછળ રોઝ.
ઓકે ઓકે આવી જા બેટા. You can also do Rubik cubes also in blindfold. Okay. એમાં ફક્ત તમારા લગભગ 10 વર્ષની ઉપરનું કોઈ પણ તમારું કિડ હોય. નહીં 10. ક્રિસ કેટલા યરની ઉંમર સુધી ચાલે છે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ? તો આઈ થિંક સો 6 અબવ હશે તો બી એનીવન તમારે કદાચ જોઈન્ટ કરો તો ઇટ્સ આઈ થિંક સો 2 or 3 days જોબ. અને દરેક બાળકની અંદર મિડ બ્રેન હોય છે એવું કહે છે એ લોકો. એટલે તમે આ બ્લાઇન્ડ ફોલ્ડ કરીને મિડ બ્રેન એ લોકો એક્ટિવ કરે છે એક જ દિવસમાં. તમારે સવારથી સાંજ સુધી એને મૂકવાનું હોય છે ત્યાં. અને ફ્રોમ નેક્સ્ટ ડે તમે એને આ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરાવો તો એ બધું જ તમને કહેવા મળશે. ઇવન એ લોકોને કદાચ તમે બુક આપશો તો ખાલી શું છે આમ ફરાવીને કયા પેજ ઉપર કઈ વસ્તુ તમે કહેશો એ તમને શોધીને આપશે એટલું છે એની અંદર. અને મોસ્ટલી એમને હું આ ટ્યુઝડે ઇન્વાઇટ કરું છું, આવવાના છે. બરાબર છે.
ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਕ ਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे वो तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई हाँ तेरी मीठी मीठी बातें है कमाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर गई आंखों ही आंखों में तू सवाल कर दिल्ली दे किन्ने मरदे ने ते किन्ने पहला तुम्हारे हाई हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाई रेटेड गबरू मारे हाई मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे ब्राउन ब्राउन स्किन तेरी करती दीवाना है तेरे लिए मुंडिया ने छड्डिया जमाना है ब्राउन ब्राउन स्किन तेरी करती दीवाना है तेरे लिए मुंडिया ने छड्डिया जमाना है तेरे ते शर्तां ला ला के रोज किन्ने ने हारे हाई हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाई रेटेड गबरू मारे हाई मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे तेरे बिन नहीं मैं जीना मर ही जाना बेबी ओ दवा किन्नी सोहनी लगदी सौ है रब दी यू हार्डर दैन द सन हां सच्ची मुच्ची हुण तेनू लव करदा दिल वाली गल कहणों दिल डरदा बन मेरी क्वीन सोहणीए देख कल्ला जट तेरा किंग बनदा हाई हाय नखरा तेरा नी हाई रेटेड गबरू मारे हाई मुंडे पागल हो गए ने तेरे गिन गिन लक दे हुलारे
Wow, that was wonderful. That was wonderful, Dwiti. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we wrap up with this wonderful evening, and myself Shubhangi is signing off for this evening. Now you can all proceed for dinner. And
तुम भूल जाओगे हम याद कराएंगे, तुम भूल जाओगे हम याद कराएंगे, तुम रोओगे हम हंसाएंगे, तुम रोओगे हम हंसाएंगे। अरे हम तो तेरे नाम के राधे मोहन है, गजनी के संजय सिंघानिया नहीं, जो 15 मिनट में भूल जाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।